Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can invest in S&P 500 top companies on Trading 212. Before we dive into, make sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, you want to go ahead and click on the pies once you have logged in and signed up and so on and so forth. And here you will see your portfolio. Now you want to go ahead and click on not investments, but on pies, and then click create a pie. Then you're going to click build a custom pie and add instruments. From here, you want to go on search and search for S&P 500. Now you will have a lot of options. So I myself use now Vanguard, S&P 500, London Stock Exchange. So it's this one. You can also go ahead and use iShares. This is more popular one. And you will basically, once you have selected which one you want to use, you want to go ahead and click add to pie and click that arrow at the bottom. Now you will see your average annual return, the investment, minimum investment, as you can see, €1. And then you're going to click next. After that, you can choose auto invest or manually. So manually means that you're using free funds in your account and you will need to do this yourself. Auto invest is way better. You're going to click next. Now you choose how many years you want to do this. And so, for example, 5 years. Then you will choose how much monthly you want to invest. So maybe 100. And you will choose which day of the month you want to do this. After that, you're going to click next. I'm just going to name it as an example now. And after this, here you have it. You want to click fund a pie. And from here, you're going to select a payment method like a card, Apple Pay, or free funds from your bank account. So that's that. Once you will add it, you will have it on your portfolio. And now you'll need to click on it and click invest. Just like so. You're going to choose how much you want to invest and you will see it now on your portfolio. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.